The vastness of our universe has inspired wonder for millenniums. But as impressive as our celestial views are from Earth, the outer regions of our universe possess awe-inspiring phenomenon which extend to the beginning of time. One such phenomenon is the Fishhead Nebula, IC 1795. Located in the constellation of Cassiopeia, the Fishhead Nebula is an emission nebula and is an extension of the Heart Nebula, IC 1805, and sits on the southeast portion of the Heart Nebula complex. The Fishhead Nebula was discovered by Edward Barnard sometime in the late 1890s. The nebula's distance from Earth is 6,000 light years. To some, this nebula may look like the head of a fish. However, this colorful cosmic portrait really features glowing gas and obscuring dust clouds in IC 1795, a star-forming region in the northern constellation of Cassiopeia. The brighter region of IC 1795 is designated NGC 896 and is the home to many massive young stars. These stars radiate copious amounts of ultraviolet light. This UV radiation excites the surrounding gas and causes it to shine much the same way as a neon light emits its colorful hues. Just a fun fact, the distance from the Earth to the Fishhead Nebula is so vast, it would take over 5 billion years to reach it, traveling at the speed of sound. Well, hello everyone, and thanks for tuning in again. Oh boy, as you know, I got a chance to get out and do some imaging on the Fishhead Nebula. All right, this is a target that I've never actually shot and isolated by itself. I've gotten overall images of the Heart Nebula complex, which, as you know, includes the Fishhead Nebula. All right, this particular target is a relatively bright target. It has a magnitude of about 6.8, so it's relatively bright. All right, I was able to get about 6 hours of integration time on this particular outing. I actually shot this back in January. The weather here has been pretty horrendous over the last month or so. We've had some clear days, mixed in sporadically, but unfortunately I haven't had a chance to take advantage of those due to my work schedule. And I decided to get on the computer and start processing some of the images that I've acquired over the last couple of months or so. And the Fishhead Nebula was at the top of the list, so I decided to see what I could do with that. All right, I got some pretty good data. I used the ZWO 533 MC Pro, and as usual, the camera performed flawlessly. So I got some relatively good data on this. As we know, if you get good data, the rest of it is all in the processing. I had clear skies all night. It was a moonless night, so the conditions were ideal. The seeing was pretty good as well. Well, about as well as it can get in this area. I'm in a Bortle 7-8 area, so for my normal shooting conditions, everything was pretty good this particular night. That's about all I have for this particular video. I hope you enjoyed it, and now I will show you my edited version of the Fishhead Nebula. And as always, until next time, and clear skies.